So, first of all, I have to say, I think that this welder, these type of welders, is a brilliant idea. You know, to have everything together in one little, like, pistol unit here. I don't know why we have to use these screw-in tips instead of some kind of clip-on, but that's a mild annoyance. I can't get it to run 70-18. I could just never get it to start and sustain, but it will run 60-13, which is probably of more interest to the especially beginning welder. Oh, I should say I've welded for 50 years now, so I don't know. I don't think I'm like a super expert, but I used to make my living doing it. This will go up to 130, and with these 3/32 rods, that's probably where you want to do it. I'll run a just a simple butt joint over here and see what we can get up going. Turn it on down below. Running at 130. I'm not sure what you got to see through my video camera, but ran a pretty smooth joint over there. Like I say, not the best welding in the world because I couldn't see what I was doing, but not a bad joint. So for just simple getting out there and trying to gob a couple things together, this isn't a bad thing at all. You can certainly make much better welds with better equipment, but just to have this in the back of your car and a generator and go out and knock a few things together, I don't think it's half bad. The ground clamp is nice. The gloves that come with it are pretty junky, but they're better than nothing. And then this little solar paneled auto darkening sunglass thing. I don't know that I'd use this, but it's not a bad idea. So all in all, you know, a worthy try, and something that actually can help you out. But as I said, I could never get the 70-18 to actually run. So, you know, give it a try. I don't think you can really go wrong with this. So it is what it is and does a pretty good job. Cheers.